What's up, YouTube friends? So I'm back with another Christmas craft. Today I'm going to be making these little treat sleighs for the little ones. These are really easy to put together. You can customize the candy to your liking. But today I'm going to be using 2 of these little candy cane treats. 1 box, I'll be using these Sour Patch Kids. This is a 2.5 ounce can of Pringles. You're also going to need a Santa Claus of some sort. And then I just got these little Santa hat kisses. Now I got my stuff at Walmart. I was impatient. It cost me about $9 to $10 per sleigh. If you go to the Dollar Tree, it'll be about half that price. Now out of my craft bin, I'm going to be using some brown pipe cleaners. This is going to be the reins for our sleigh. And then I got a piece of wired ribbon. So this is about 36 inches long. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue my 2 candy canes to my Sour Patch Kids. And these just happen to be coal. I thought that was kind of cute. So on the back of my box, I'm going to put a healthy amount of hot glue. And then just stick on one of the little runners. And then just do the same thing on the other side. Now these are less of a tutorial and just for kind of for inspiration. I know a lot of people like to see what I'm doing for the holidays. Next, I'm just going to take my Pringles and I'm going to glue it right on top, but I'm also going to leave a little bit of room to put my little kiss on the back. Next, I'm just going to glue on my little kiss to the back. And finally, I'm just going to glue my Santa to the front. I just went ahead and flipped down the extra packaging and just put a little piece of tape. More glue. He's coming along nicely. Then I'm just going to attach the reins. I just kind of estimate how long I need my pipe cleaner to be and trim it down. And then I'm just going to put 2 little dabs of glue on the front of these candy canes. Or on the hook part, I guess. And then just glue my little reins. And then I just kind of bend it towards the Santa. just like that. Now finally, I'm just going to add my ribbon. As I mentioned, this is a 36-inch piece of wired ribbon. I'm just going to tie it around my sleigh and make a bow. And then I'm just going to come in here and kind of flare my ends so it looks like that. And then just kind of fluff the bow. Just like that. And that is all finished. I'm just going to slap a name tag on them and they're ready to go. I hope you like this quick and easy video. As always, thanks for watching, happy holidays, and I'll catch you on the next video.